Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3. To begin, understand that this classic skateboarding game was released for specific home consoles. The most straightforward way to enjoy it without an emulator is by using the hardware it was designed for. This includes both physical copies and, in some cases, digital versions available through console storefronts or backward compatibility features. We'll explore these options in detail. The primary way to play Skate 3 without an emulator is on its original consoles. This means dusting off your Xbox 360 or PlayStation 3. If you still own one of these systems, simply insert a physical game disc. Many gamers find these consoles and game discs readily available through online marketplaces or second-hand stores, offering an authentic and direct gaming experience as it was originally intended. For Xbox users, backward compatibility offers a fantastic solution. Skate 3 is playable on the Xbox One and the latest Xbox Series X and S consoles. If you have an Xbox 360 disc, simply insert it into your newer Xbox system. Digital copies purchased on the Xbox 360 also transfer, allowing you to download and play the game directly on your current generation console without any additional steps. While Skate 3 was not officially released for personal computers, some cloud gaming services occasionally feature it. These services allow you to stream the game over the internet, bypassing the need for a console or an emulator. Always check the current game library of popular cloud gaming subscriptions. Remember, a strong and consistent internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, is crucial for a smooth streaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.